Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the BTI Virtual Open House. My name's Dana Kramer, and I am the Senior Director of Admissions in our Wyomissing location. So first, I want to tell you a little bit about who BTI is. We are under the Lindenwood Education umbrella, also encompassed by Ancora, doing business as Berks Technical Institute. Our mission of Berks Technical Institute is to inspire and empower individuals through education and skill development. To accomplish this mission, we utilize our core values as a blueprint to create an environment centered on the personal and professional development of our students, employees, and employers. We have four core values that we utilize to create a positive experience. And those are integrity, customer service, innovation, and growth. A little bit about our history. BTI started out as a small mom and pop school back in 1982. So 44 years ago, we were Lehigh Valley Data Processing in downtown Reading. In 1990, we were renamed to Berks Technical Institute as things developed and grew in the industry. In 1996, we were relocated to the current location. In 2018, we were established with STVT, AAI Education Incorporated, doing business as Ancora Education, and they acquired BTI. Then in 2020, our main campus changed. BTI now a branch campus of Millermont College in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Then in 2024, two of the McCann School of Businesses were rebuilt and rebranded as BTIs, and their locations are in Allentown and in Lewisburg. And then in 2025, Lindenwood Education System acquired BTI as an STVT AAI education, and now we are known as LES. So, approvals and accreditation. What this simply means is we have to follow certain guidelines and maintain regulatory standards. To learn more about ACCSC, which is the Accrediting Commission of Career Schools and Colleges, you can do research at accsc.org. Now to get into the benefit of short-term career-focused training. Here at BTI, our programs range anywhere from 2 to 18 months, and we have diplomas or associates in specialized technology. Our goal is to prepare our students to enter the job market quicker. But you have options, and I will say, we're not for everybody. If you were here telling me, I want to be an engineer or I want to be a doctor, I would direct you to the traditional university route where you're going to spend 4 to 6 years, possibly going on to get your graduate degree and spend a couple more years. But for those who a traditional experience isn't your niche, we are here and we would be more than happy to help you with your career search and training. Top reasons individuals have said they come to career training at BTI. It helps them overcome barriers to employment. They're more marketable. It improves job opportunities. They want to change their work conditions, career security, increase their earning potential, improve promotional opportunities, benefits, personal fulfillment, and lastly, improving their self-esteem. So what all of those together It's all about that professional development and how it develops them into an individual with proper career training. And that's what you will receive as a BTI student. Financial services team. We are blessed to have a in-house financial services team at all three of our locations. Our financial services teams, they share information about grants, student loans, and scholarships. They will discuss available funding options with you. They also educate our students on responsible borrowing because the last thing we want to do is have an individual go into too much debt. So we will work with you to make sure you are borrowing responsibly. We also support our students as they complete the financial aid paperwork promptly, and that also goes out to the parents and guardians as well. Keep in mind, financial aid is available to those who qualify. Next, we talk about our education team. This picture you're looking at right here is directly out of our electrical lab here in the Wyomissing location, and that is Todd McFarland, who is the program director for the electrical program. All of our instructors here are industry experienced. What that means is they bring real world knowledge and skills into the classroom. They didn't go to school to become a teacher. They went to school, some may not, and just learned the craft. So basically, in a nutshell, Todd here is an experienced electrician. He had 5 or more years in the industry. And that's who we bring in to teach our students. Our students learn in an active, hands-on training environment where they will learn by doing. And they train on industry-related equipment that is similar to what is used in the workplace. We have student advising, and we also have tutoring support where students are able to receive one-on-one attention outside of the classroom environment. Next, we are going to talk about career services. Our career services team is just another support for our students. We have program advisory committees, and what they do is suggest changes and modifications to our programs to meet the local workforce needs. And we have one which we bring in for every single program, and they meet once a year. We have professional development. This is where they're going to help you with resume writing, cover letters. They're going to do mock practice interviews. They're going to prepare you to become a professional in your trade. And then we also help with the job search. Our career services coaches, they are there to help our graduates to the right career opportunity. And one of the other things we provide as a student, if you need help with survival jobs, they can assist you with that as well. One of the other nice things is as long as BTI's doors are open, this is a service that we will provide to you. You may return as a graduate for our help with resume preparation and job search. Now we'll talk a little bit about student services. I like to say this is everybody's job on campuses, but some of our campuses, we do have designated individuals who are there to assist our students. They are committed to student success. They connect the students with community resources. We have many different community partners at each facility. Community aid is one of them. Right now, here at the location in Wyomissing, we're doing a shoe drive where we're collecting shoes for one of our community partners. And at Christmas time, Every single one of our campuses, we do a drive with the Salvation Army and Toys for Tots. One of the other nice things, we provide student support and engagement. And we have a graduation ceremony where our graduates are allowed to invite their family and friends to celebrate their success. So, what have we learned so far? We provide industry-related equipment where our students are able to have equipment similar to what is used in the workplace. We have that tutoring where you're able to receive one-on-one attention outside the classroom environment. Industry experienced instructors who bring their real-world knowledge and skill into the classroom. Student services who address the needs and concerns of the students while attending school. We have career services. They match the graduates to the right career opportunity, financial aid, accreditation, graduation ceremonies. We have that short-term training, which is going to allow you to enter the job market quicker. And lastly, we have that hands-on training. So you are going to learn by doing. Every one of those pictures right there, those are our classrooms. From up top in dental to the next one to the right going down is electrical, medical, then the bottom is CDL. The next one with the gentleman in the red shirt is in our HVAC, and then the top left-hand corner, that is somebody in our IT support program. So as I said in the beginning, we have 3 locations. Our Flagstaff campus is the one I am located at in Wyomissing at 2205 Ridgewood Road. We have our sister locations in Lewisburg on the West Branch Highway, located right between Bucknell and Bloomsburg University. And then we have our Allentown campus on Irving Street, which is located right by the Lehigh Valley International Airport. All 3 of the locations have CDL training for Class A. We have electrical, we have HVAC, medical billing and coding, and then medical clinical assistant. The Allentown and the Wyomissing campus also have IT support specialists. Lewisburg has a niche where they have the surgical technology program. And then also in Wyomissing, we have a dental and expanded function dental assistant preparation program. So that concludes the presentation portion. So if you have questions or would like to speak to an admissions representative, you can reach out at the following email addresses, and we would be more than happy to assist you in your career search. I hope you have a blessed evening.